Okay, boys and girls, now we are going to do the words of the week. So I want you to put your fingers up and air trace the word hi for me. Hi, H-I-G-H, hi. Again, H-I-G-H, hi. Now do with your eyes closed and trace. H-I-G-H, hi. The buildings are very high. Next word is every. Keep tracing. E-V-E-R-Y, every. Again, E-V-E-R-Y, every. Eyes closed. E-V-E-R-Y, every. You must read every day. Next word is near. N-E-A-R, near. Again, N-E-A-R, near. Eyes closed. N-E-A-R, near. Do not go near fire, boys and girls. Next word is between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. Again, between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. Eyes closed. B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. The letter B is between A and C. Below. B-E-L-O-W, below. Below. B-E-L-O-W, below. Eyes closed. B-E-L-O-W, below. The girl is below the table. Okay, so now that we're done with our drill, what I'd like you to do, I would like you to write each sight words 5 times each. You could take a picture and post it on Class Dojo for your teacher to see. This is a format you could use to show your teacher. Okay, don't forget to practice these words every day. You can open up this video and try to practice as many as you can. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.